Hey everybody, Uncle Drew here. No kidding around, all seriousness. This is the best steak sandwich I have ever made. You need to try this one.
Uncle Drew's been looking for you. Steak and onions. Let's get to it. Bowl onion, 1. Steak, 2. Cheese, please. You gotta have your garlic sauce. Don't forget to butter your buns.
Salt, 2 turns.
Pepper, 2 turns. Don't forget your peppercorns. Always lay away. Let them rest.
Okay, what I really like to do here is once your steaks are finished cooking, saute your onions in the same pan. They're going to start absorbing the flavors of that steak. When your onions are done, take your lightly buttered bun face down and toast it right in the same pan. That's going to absorb all the flavors of your onion and steak that you just grilled. It's going to taste fantastic. You can choose here how to slice your steak any way you want. It's your own kitchen. Make yourself happy. Okay, it's assembly time. This is always fun. Layer your bun with this garlic sauce, which you can see on my channel for the exact recipe. Coat it well, spread it out nice and evenly. Once you've done that, let's move on to sprinkling some nice grated cheese. Use your favorite kind, whatever you choose out here. It's your own kitchen. Let's carefully add 1 layer of steak, a little bit more garlic sauce because it tastes fantastic. Once you're finished there, some of your sauteed onions. What the heck, let's sprinkle a little bit more cheese. Add another layer of steak if you really feel for it. And a little bit more garlic sauce just to top it off. Now that's what I call a steak sandwich. Last step is to fold it and bite it. Hey everybody, Uncle Drew here. No kidding around, all seriousness. This is the best steak sandwich I have ever made. You need to try this one. Check the channel out. You've got the garlic mayo recipe. That's really important right here. Make sure you take your bun, butter it, toast it, because we don't want soggy bread. When you're using your strip loins, use the thinner, fast fry strip loin. Spice them. Salt, pepper. I like some peppercorn on there as well. You need to saute some onions. That's very important. Make sure you do it step by step. Everything in the same pan is key. So make sure a little bit of oil in your pan. Fast fry your sirloins. Take them out. Onions right in the pan, little sprinkle of salt and pepper. Once they're sauteed, I don't want them soggy. I still want a little bit of crispness to them. Take those out of the pan. Then, final step, your bun. Put your bun in the same pan, toast it right in there. Guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna take up all the flavors from your steak and onions that you just cooked. Gonna taste fantastic. Get your bun down, a little bit of garlic sauce, start layering. Then once you've got your garlic sauce on there, guess what you can do now? A little bit of cheese. Get a layer of steak, layer of onion, a little bit more garlic sauce in there, layer of cheese, onion, you get the picture. Finish it off with your final steak, a little bit of garlic sauce, and this is the bad boy that you have remaining. Please put some comments below if you enjoyed this recipe the same way I'm about to finish this off. I'm gonna take this all down, no word of a lie. Comment, subscribe, and share. Give this one a try, and then come back, put some comments in there how you enjoyed this one. Until next time, boom. Wow, this is amazing. This garlic mayo really was a topper with the peppercorn. This gets, to me, I'm giving this sandwich right here. Steak sandwich gets a 10 out of 10. Best I have ever had, bar down.